Windows play a crucial role in maintaining the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appeal of a home. For Rockville residents, where seasonal temperature fluctuations can impact energy bills, investing in energy-efficient windows is a smart choice. These windows help to minimize heat loss in the winter and reduce heat gain in the summer, leading to lower energy costs and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Why energy-efficient windows matter in Rockville? Rockville experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year, from cold winters to warm, humid summers. Poorly insulated or outdated windows can lead to energy loss, making heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows help by providing better insulation, reducing drafts, and preventing unwanted heat transfer. This leads to lower utility bills, a reduced carbon footprint, and an overall more sustainable home. Features to look for in energy-efficient windows. When selecting energy-efficient windows, it's important to consider key features that enhance performance. Here are some of the most important factors to look for. Low E, low emissivity, glass coatings. Low E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, helping to keep interiors warm in winter and cool in summer. This feature also helps block harmful UV rays that can fade furniture and flooring. Double or triple pane glass. Multi-pane windows provide better insulation by trapping air or gas, such as argon or krypton, between the layers of glass. These layers help reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Insulated window frames. Choosing window frames made of materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood with insulating properties can enhance efficiency. Frames with foam insulation add an extra layer of protection against energy loss. Proper weather stripping and seals. High-quality weather stripping prevents air leaks, reducing drafts and improving the overall performance of windows. Best energy-efficient window options for Rockville homes. Rockville homeowners can choose from a variety of energy-efficient windows to best suit their needs and budget. Here are some top options. Vinyl windows. Affordable and highly energy efficient, vinyl windows provide excellent insulation and require minimal maintenance. Many models come with multi-chambered frames that enhance energy efficiency. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass frames are durable and resistant to warping, making them a long-lasting option. They offer superior insulation and work well in Rockville's varying climate. Wood-clad windows. These combine the beauty of wood on the interior with a weather-resistant exterior, vinyl or aluminum, for energy efficiency and durability. Proper maintenance ensures they remain efficient over time. Composite windows. Made from a blend of materials, composite windows offer the benefits of wood without the maintenance concerns. They are highly energy efficient and can withstand extreme weather conditions. Smart windows, electrochromic glass. These high-tech windows can adjust their tint automatically to control heat gain and glare. Though more expensive, they provide cutting-edge energy efficiency and comfort. Additional benefits of energy-efficient windows. besides lowering energy bills. Investing in energy-efficient windows provides several other benefits for Rockville homeowners. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades make homes more attractive to buyers. Noise reduction. Double and triple pane windows help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Enhanced comfort. Reduced drafts and improved insulation help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Environmental impact. Lower energy consumption reduces carbon emissions, contributing to a greener planet. Professional installation for maximum efficiency. The proper installation is key to ensuring that energy-efficient windows perform as intended. Gaps, poor sealing, and improper fitting can reduce their effectiveness. Hiring professional window installers ensures correct placement and sealing to prevent drafts and leaks. Proper alignment for smooth operation. Compliance with local building codes and energy efficiency standards. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your home. When selecting windows, consider factors such as budget, aesthetics, and long-term energy savings. Many manufacturers offer Energy Star-rated windows that meet strict efficiency guidelines. Consulting with a window professional can help determine the best options for your specific needs. Conclusion. Investing in energy-efficient windows is one of the best ways for Rockville homeowners to reduce energy costs, improve comfort, and increase property value. By choosing high-quality materials, modern technology, and professional installation, residents can enjoy long-term benefits that make their homes more sustainable and cost-effective. Whether upgrading an existing home or building new, energy-efficient windows are a smart, forward-thinking choice for any homeowner in Rockville.